Hi, how's it going?
It's going well. How are you?
I'm good. I'm good.
Good,
I'm
good.
getting through the day.
It's almost over. It's almost over.
Oh, it has certainly been a day. I see you're in the scorecard. I'm sorry, I forgot to add today's slot to it. I'm just going to add it in pitch number 3 with the date really
Okay,
quickly.
I was gonna say the one at the top. I don't know if you have these in order. I was gonna say I can drop it there and then you can move it, or you want to
Yeah.
set it up.
Yeah, let's just do the one at the top, pitch number 1.
Okay,
Yeah, apologies about that. It has
no
really
worries. Do
truly.
you want to change the information at the very top and then I'll just drop everything else in?
Yep.
Okay,
It
awesome.
should be done. Oh, that's Brandon's. Okay, let me get yours.
Hi, Brandon.
Hi, Brandon.
Hello.
We got car action going on today.
Yeah.
Yes.
All right. Vanessa, I adjusted it for you, so you're good to start
Okay.
filling it in at the top.
Okay, perfect. Thank you.
Yeah, no problem. I think we're still just waiting for Kareema. You guys got all the information and everything about her?
Yes.
Perfect. Vanessa, when are you flying into New Orleans?
Thursday.
Oh, right. We talked about
Yeah.
this. You have your
So
direct flight. It's coming back to me.
I'm heading to LA on a 6 a.m. flight. So after this, I'm gonna try to shut it down, do my hair, finish the packing. I kind of have everything organized, but need to throw things in suitcases. And but I'm really, really excited for
We are
this.
too.
It should
Yeah,
be great.
it's gonna be really, really great. Let me see if I can send her an email really quickly. See if she's, oh, there she is. That happens to me every time I get ready to bother someone. They pop in my waiting room right away. All right, I'm gonna let her in. Hello.
Hello. Can you see me?
Hi, yes, we see you guys. Hello, so great to meet you.
Thank you so much for having us.
Yeah,
Apologies for the tardiness.
no worries. We're glad that you guys could reschedule. I know that there was some craziness going on, but I'm glad you guys could work it all out and we're so excited. I'll go ahead and just set everything up for you guys. So today is your pitch, your virtual pitch for Cantu Elevate. You are going to have the chance to win a $20,000 prize. So good luck. You're going to have 15 minutes to do your pitch to us, and then we'll have 5 minutes at the end for Q&A. And then today we have our judges. I've got Brandon Carter, who is the managing partner at Brain Trust. So you guys probably already know him. And then today we have Vanessa Vining, and she is the Chief Diversity Officer at VaynerX. All right, well, we're excited. I'm going to turn it over to you guys, and we're ready to be dazzled.
Okay. And I'm able to share my screen, correct?
Yes, you should be able to.
Let me make sure y'all are able to see my screen.
Yes.
Okay. Okay. Okay, so just let me know when we're okay to start.
You guys are good to go.
Okay, perfect. Okay, hello everyone. My name is Kareema Mustafa, and I am one of the co-founders of Sabrine Cosmetics. Sabrine Cosmetics is a clean, luxury, and sustainable beauty brand founded by myself and my two sisters. It was founded to honor the life and legacy of my beloved aunt, Nabia Sabrine, who lost her battle with breast cancer in 2009. She really instilled in myself and my two sisters the importance of living life on our own terms and being unapologetic. And that is what we want to inspire our consumers to be, is to just live life on your own terms and to be unapologetic. While researching how to even start a beauty brand, we found that almost 75% of cosmetic products marketed to Black women were potentially hazardous. A lot of these chemicals have been linked to cancer, hormone disruption, developmental and reproductive damage, and other adverse health effects. We've also found that the clean beauty market is growing very rapidly. By 2027, it is expected to reach $1.16 billion, and it has a growth rate of 12% by 2027. So it is a large market, and we definitely see ourselves being able to take market share in this market.
The luxury, the luxury beauty market size is about 80.57 billion dollars expected by 2028, with a 3.7 growth rate by 2028. And we also found in our research that 3 in 10 of the Black consumers are luxury buyers, and they often encounter racial discrimination in their retail shopping experience.
And this is why we've come up with our company, Sabrine Cosmetics, which is a disruptive, luxury, clean, and sustainable beauty brand that meets at the intersection of clean beauty, luxury, and sustainability. Some of our differentiators is that all of our products are made with clean luxury formulations, and we go by the EU standard, which is the strictest standard in the world for cosmetics. We are also PETA certified and Leaping Bunny certified, which means that all of our products are not tested on animals. We don't source from any animals, and animal testing is prohibited in our formulas. We are also proud to be a sustainable brand. All of our packaging are made with sustainable packaging. And we are also partnered with Green Spark, where we plant a tree for every order that's placed. Again, having an aunt who passed away from breast cancer, we thought it was so important to partner with a philanthropist to, like the Orly Smith Foundation, to raise awareness for charitable donations for cancer research. And that is some of our unique solutions of being Sabrine Cosmetics. We have different product offerings from our Nora Gloss, our Zara Matte, our Lana Lip Rouge Satin, as well as our metallic and our 2 gift sets that all of our consumers love.
And we also have a few unique distribution channels. We are primarily direct to consumer, but we also are available as some hand-selected stockists. We only partner with stockists whose brand values and corporate initiatives align with ours, and they address clean beauty, luxury beauty, sustainability, diversity, and inclusion. UTME pretty much handles all of our international orders, with the exception of Canada. UTME is an AI-driven, Black-owned, conscious marketplace that has a lot of clean luxury beauty products there. So we partnered with Miss Simi Green in the UK. And we also are available in Berry Shop, which covers the clean beauty and luxury and sustainable aspects. And finally, we partner with Terraco, which takes care of our distribution in Canada, which addresses the sustainability brand value of ours. We also have been proud to have been featured in the press. We've been featured in Forbes Vetted, Beauty Independent, Global Cosmetic Industry, British Vogue, and Black Enterprise, to name a few. And and meet the team. I am Salia Mustafa, founder and CEO of Sabrine Cosmetics. I'm responsible primarily for the research and development, finance, and legal aspects of the brand. And to the right of me is Kareema Mustafa, which is the co-founder and COO. She's responsible primarily for the marketing, PR, and brand development. And our other sister and other co-founder is Najee Mustafa, and she's primarily responsible for the logistics and supply chain aspects of the business. And finally, we did have an advisor that helped us greatly, which is Dr. Daniel Langer, founder and CEO of Exquisite, which is a luxury strategy brand. He was named as the top 5 luxury key opinion leaders to watch in 2021, alongside Alessandro Michele from Gucci and Bernard Arnault at LVMH. He was very influential in helping us define and refine our luxury brand positioning, and he is still on board to help us scale our luxury brand. So we've come to the most important part: why invest in Sabrine Cosmetics? Sabrine Cosmetics is seeking funding to specifically invest in strategic marketing initiatives to increase our brand awareness, for product line expansion, also to develop a strategic retail strategy. Number one, we understand that right now the beauty market is very, very saturated. So how do we cut through the noise? With marketing dollars. We would love to disperse those marketing dollars via PR, digital marketing initiatives, and also print initiatives, which is something that a lot of bigger luxury brands utilize to reach their audience directly. Secondly, we would love to expand our product line because our consumers and patrons have been asking us for it. They want more than lip products. And we understand that not only does it enhance their experience, but also it generates more revenue for us and gets us prepared for the next step, which is to be able to strategically enter into retail marketing. Into the retail market, into some brand channels. We understand that a lot of Black founders are launched into a lot of different retail stores, but a lot of them are not successful because they're not adequately prepared. We want to make sure that we avoid that. We understand that by being strategic and working with a broker or a consultant along with Dr. Daniel to ensure that we are prepared for that, we will avoid some of those mishaps that we see. We want to make sure that when we partner with those brand partners, that it's beneficial not only for our customers and making sure that our luxury products are accessible, but it's also beneficial for them and ourselves. And that's very, very important to us. So thank you so much. And that's the end of our pitch.
Awesome. Excellent job, guys. I had a couple of drill down questions. So in the lip category, it's relatively, from what I understand, it's relatively competitive to create products that are sustainable, luxury, and clean. In the other categories, will you all find that same ease, or has it been easy, or do you anticipate either financial or technological struggles in expanding beyond lip, right? Because what we put in our lips is close to what we put in our mouth. So like there's been a lot of work in that area. But just want to know your thoughts on that as you think about expanding.
Absolutely. So I handle a lot of the R&D, and one of the things that I really know that I pride myself on is making sure that I maintain the cost of our COGS without sacrificing quality. We're always constantly evaluating our COGS, and I always look for ingredients that are, one, sustainable, also safe for use without sacrificing efficacy. So I don't foresee myself running into any issue. One of our products is Zara Matte. I actually kind of challenged the chemist to kind of think outside of the box. He told me that we couldn't make, my Neurogloss, we couldn't make our lip gloss without polybutane, which is an ingredient that is gives the stickiness that you normally see, or the tackiness that you normally encounter with the lip gloss. I was able to find an ingredient that was relatively small in cost and also small in value, because we had started with a small batch order initially, and we was able to formulate it. So I'm fully confident rather. And also we have also in communication with different contract manufacturers to ensure that if one contract manufacturer can't produce the product, I can find somebody else. And I also partner with 2 other chemists that assist me in this process as well. So I'm fully confident that whatever products that we put on the market will align with our brand ethos and values.
Good question. Brandon, did you have any other questions?
I'll let you go.
Okay, I was just curious about something. You talked about expanding your portfolio, and right now you're gloss and lips. Are you looking to expand your product line to encompass all women of color or primarily Black women?
Primarily, our company is for women, so we don't say women of color. But of course, I'm a Black woman. My mom was a Black woman. My aunt was a Black woman. So I can only speak from an experience of a Black woman. But I know one thing that resonates with all women that can translate to when we decide to go global, which is something that we want to do. Women in all countries, especially in the climate that we're in right now politically, want to live life on their own terms. They want to be unapologetic. So we don't use anything specifically regarding that. We just say women because all women can resonate with that. And that's who we are authentically. And that's who my aunt is. We're unapologetic. So we want to be a brand that represents that.
Great, thank you. And then you talk about your profit projections for 2022 being 50K. Where are you right now that you're about half of the year is behind us and we're about to enter second half of the year? Are you tracking towards that pretty well at this point?
To be completely honest, we're moving in that direction, but honestly, we do need a cash injection that if we are lucky enough to be able to acquire this grant, which will help us get over that hurdle. One of the two things that we're really looking to do, which was mentioned, is to refine our packaging and also marketing dollars. As a small luxury brand, cutting through the noise is very expensive. It's very expensive, but it's something that can be done. I believe that my sisters and I have set the foundation for us to be a multi-million and eventually billion-dollar corporation. That's something that we want. We just need a little bit of help along the way. So we're going to get there. We're determined.
Well, outside of the lip products, what's the first beauty product in addition to that you plan to roll out if you were to be the winner of this money?
I know this is a big one for you.
Well, we have a lot of different ideas, but definitely expanding on the face. So potentially moving towards the foundation, eye palettes, just moving towards that direction of having a full line of cosmetics. So
foundation, eye.
Yeah.
And everything. I'm sorry.
No, you're fine. You're fine.
I would say in everything too, because we know that retailers often want to be able to present a full line of products to sit in their stores. If we want to be able to sit next to Chanel, Gucci, YSL, Dior, we have to be able to compete where they're competing. So that's very important for us.
And I also want to add the importance of our brand and reiterating that our products are clean. A lot of the luxury products that are on the market right now are not clean and they're not made with the safest ingredients. So being able to formulate products that are clean, it'll provide access to the demographic that doesn't currently have that. And that's why our brand is so important.
Got it. Thank you. I mean, you did a great job presenting. I don't have a ton of questions, so that's good for me.
Amazing. Brandon, do you have any final questions? Also, you're on mute if you answered. Oh, there you go. I'm gonna take that as a no, Brandon. All right. Well, thank you guys so much. You guys did so great. And we're so thrilled that you guys were able to participate in Cantu Elevate's virtual pitch contest. We're so happy and we're here to support you guys. So thank you again so much. We'll be in touch with next steps as far as your status in the competition. But thank you again. An excellent job.
Thank you for having us.
Thank you. Bye.
Bye-bye.